Hi guys, so I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF using Photoshop CS5. So first you go to File, New, and you pick the name and the width and the height. You can use inches, pixels, or whatever. And I usually do 7 and 5 because that works best for posting it to Tumblr for me, but you can change it depending on what you want to do with it. Okay. So now depending on how many pictures you want, I'm going to use 3, so I need three layers. So I press this button, and then over here I press it again. Okay, now I go to the first layer and the first slide, and I go to File, Place, and I already have some pictures saved that I'm going to use. Okay, and then you just press Shift and stretch it out. You should press Shift because that keeps it proportional. Okay, that looks good. So I press Enter. Okay. Now I go to frame 2. No, I go back to frame 1. And I have to make sure the eyeball is only on layer 1, so we take these out. Okay. Now I go to layer 2, and we do it again. Use the second picture. And we have to make sure the eyeball is only on layer 2. Okay, I'm just going to stretch this out first because I forgot to remove the eyeball, but that's okay because you can just do that later. Okay, so Enter, and just take that eyeball out. And layer 2 duplicated, so you can just delete that one. Okay, and you see the eyeball kind of puts itself back, so you just take it off again. Okay, and make sure it's in the right spot. And now you put the eyeball to layer 3, File, Place, and then you just stretch it out once more. Okay, and that looks good, so I press Enter, and duplicate it again. I don't really know why, but it's not a problem, you can just delete it. Make sure the eyeball is on 3, go back to 1, and you have to take the eyeball out again, and then go to 2, the eyeball's good, and you have to put the eyeball back in. Okay, so now you're done with all the pictures. Now you play your GIF. Okay, and depending on what speed you want it to go, you can press where it says 0 seconds and change the speed to whatever you want. And if you want to put a little credit for yourself there, just get a text box. Okay, and then you just type in whatever you want. You can change the font and stuff. Alright, and you make sure that's clicked. You have to put the eyeball in the text too, so that it shows up on every slide. Okay, and now you're done. So if you want to just save it to your computer, you can press Save As, but if you want to post it to Tumblr or something else, you can press Save for Web and Devices. Make sure it's at GIF, and my screen is small, so you can't see the Save button at the bottom, but if I press Enter, it saves automatically. So, okay, so then you just save it as whatever you want, okay? And now you're done.